Butterfinger Blondies. There's nothing wrong with that. Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to be making Butterfinger Blondies. My sons and I really love this recipe. It's very rich, but it's so good. If you like content and recipes like this, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you hadn't. Ring that bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, I need 1 cup of butter, and I have my oven preheating at 350 degrees. I've got 1 cup of light brown sugar, packed, half a cup of granulated sugar, and we want to cream this well. Alright, now I want to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 2 eggs, one at a time. Scrape it down. Alright, now on low speed, I want to add 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. One teaspoon of coarse sea salt. And 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Alright. Ooh, it's thick and buttery. Alright, to that I'm going to stir in, this is about 16 of the fun size Butterfingers. I just took my rolling pin and beat the candy bar and then just put them in the bowl there. You can put them in a Ziploc bag and beat it, but I end up with a chocolatey mess that way. This seems to be a little bit neater, and we just want to stir this in. And Butterfingers are best when they're fresh, and these are very fresh. Alright. I've got a 9x13 dish that I've sprayed with nonstick spray, and I am just gonna get this into that dish. These are rich, especially once you get the icing on it. My husband likes them, but they're too rich. He can't eat much of them. Boy, my sons and I, they're rich, but we love them. They're the kind of thing that you don't eat a lot of at one time, but you keep going back and getting a bite. I'm going to get this in my 350 degree oven and cook it. It says about 25 minutes, but I am going to try it around 18 and see where I get. And I'll see you back then. Alright, it cooked about 20 minutes. And you want to take it out when it is just set in the middle. You don't want to over bake it because it'll get real hard. And now we're going to let this cool before icing it. And I'll see you then. Now for our icing, I've got 1 stick of butter, half a cup of Crisco, and we want to cream these together till smooth. And that butter I've let sit out for a long time, most of the day. Now it doesn't call for it, but I'm going to add just a pinch of salt in with my powdered sugar. So I'm going to do that since it's such a sweet dessert. And now I want to cut it to low. And I've got 2.5, it takes 2.5 to 3 cups of powdered sugar. And I've got 2.5 cups here. And I'll get another ½ cup if I need it. And you just want to slowly add it in. And I think the 2.5 cups will be plenty. Scrape it down. And now I just want, I've got 4 of the fun-sized Butterfingers that I've crushed. And I just want to stir those in. And we just want to spray that on top of our cake. And it's not thick, but you don't really need it thick because, like I said, it is very, very rich. And there we go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you hadn't. Ring that bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.